I'm a second generation builder, so as long as I can remember, I've had a hammer or a shovel in my hand. Reader's been in the K through 12 market for about 30 years now. When the team brought Outbuild to me, I was looking at, well, why do we need to change? With Outbuild, I think the problem that we really saw more than anything was communication.
The fact that it's live and I can see what's going on as our guys in the field are looking at it live, it allows us to make critical decisions faster. And it comes down to really just being a function of communication, which ultimately is what a schedule is.
It's almost real world, and it's very collaborative. We're doing it together.
It's a great program, keeping it going, keeping it moving, and I truly believe some of the newer guys that are coming into the industry are gonna really excel in this thing.
With a legacy software, that communication vehicle doesn't really exist.
It would take a couple hours to update the overall schedule. The actual update now takes maybe 20, 30 minutes.
I've seen a lot of efficiencies that otherwise would not have been there.
Continuing to help grow and cater the software for contractors like Reader in the market, Outbuild's there to listen and help make those improvements.
Yeah, we'll just keep the momentum going exactly the way we have it, keep getting better.